Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here, and I'm back with another video, and it's makeup. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the TikTok's viral blush technique. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now that you guys have seen the video, we're gonna test that out. You're gonna explore with me. We are Dora the Explorer. Exploration station. What am I saying? Anywho, so what she used was a red lipstick. Well, most of them used red lipstick. I'm gonna try the brighter shade, and then there's concealer and foundation station. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, if you guys are loving this video already, give it a nice thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell, and follow me on Instagram, because why not? I'm sorry guys, I'm talking so fast because I drank not really so much, just like I have can of Monster, that's why. So excuse my hyperness. If you love it, then like it again. So let's try it. Oh my gosh, this video is like cutting my head. I need this camera. Okay. So, yes. If you're liking this top, this is actually what it looks like. Yes, if you like it, It's from Forever 21. Yes, my shop. Forever 21. Yeah. Not sponsored. Anyway, let's try it. I'm gonna try the brighter shade Lipstick and see how it goes, I don't know if I'm gonna be too scared about this, so I'm kind of terrified. But again, it's the exploration station. So let's try it out. Let's test it out, guys. Come on, what do it be? Okay, she put it up here on the cheeks, like so. Like we're going into a fight or something. And then up here on the forehead. Okay, I think that's enough. And then she just blended in. Blend in together, guys. So when she blended in, she blended across her nose to give it that blush effect. I know on Instagram they have this drunk blush filter. I think it's kind of cute, but okay, just blend that in. I think it's looking okay. We ain't looking like a clown yet, guys. Just hope we don't. Okay. We're gonna be testing this out, if this is a flop or not. Flop or not. Wow. Okay, now that's blended. What she did next was concealer. Signed, sealed, delivered. Right in the corner of the eye, and then on the outer. Outer. Okay. And then on the nosy. All the way up top. Okay, that's fine. And then on the forehead. And then let's just blend it. Blend it. Snap, I forgot the crease of the nose. Blend that in. If you do want to see me do other TikTok viral video makeup, what am I saying? Yeah, viral makeup videos, just comment down below what, so I can explore with you guys, so we can all explore. That's looking okay. That's looking nice, actually. I think I would wear it just like this. Nah, I wouldn't. I would not. And if you haven't seen my recent video on the 2021 makeup trend, check it out. I'll link that also if you guys want to check it out, because why not? Okay, next thing she did was foundation station. We're here in the exploration station. Foundation station. I have no idea what I'm saying, but yeah. Let's go put you in. And then we blend. Like we in the blender. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool, guys. Now that the foundation's done, you can already see the difference. Okay, let's contour some areas. Okay, looking nice, my guys, my friends. Put in some highlighter, a little bit of highlighter. Oh, that's like the icing on the cake. Put some on the lowsies. Okay, and then we fix our liner. Because who doesn't love a good liner? Brush. Look at that, guys. It's actually not bad. It's a really nice technique. Let's put the blush first. I am loving this. I'm actually loving this, guys. And to finish off the look, I like to go to my go-to lipstick. Look at that, guys. I actually love this. Like for reals. If you guys want to know what foundation I use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover. It's in the shade Caramel Beige 108. Yes. It's actually cool. It's 24-hour wearing, shine free. So that's the fit, guys. It's actually 11:45 a.m. right now, and I'm doing some makeup stuff again. I'm doing some makeup stuff in like the weirdest time, so the weirdest time I'd probably do a makeup is around 2 a.m. And if you guys want to see that, a 2 a.m. makeup sesh, comment down below, because why not, you know? Who knows what will go down in 2 a.m. Okay, so that is the viral blush technique from TikTok. I've always seen it on TikTok, and I'm like, I want to try this. That's the perfect. I want to try it, you know, because
we love to explore.
Okay, so that is the look. If you guys love it, I think it's a yay. For me, it's a yay, and it's really easy to do. All you need is a red lipstick, concealer, your foundation, and do whatever you want with your eyes. And I forgot to brush my eyebrows. If you guys want to know how I care for my brows, just ask me, or if you want to see how I do it, then I might just make a video of it. Yes. And in my next video, I'm thinking of doing a clothing haul. What do you guys think? I've been thinking of doing that actually. Anywho, that is the look and that is the fit, because I actually love it. It's fresh, it's new, it's something we can all do. So again, subscribe if you like this, give it a nice thumbs up, click that bell, follow me on Instagram, because again, you guys already know, why not? And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.